Are you tired of juggling multiple appliances to prepare a family meal? Or maybe you're frustrated with greasy, calorie-heavy dishes that take forever to cook. This Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven, 11 quart capacity, is here to revolutionize your kitchen. This sleek 1600 watt powerhouse combines cutting-edge sink technology, dual zone cooking, and 10 preset functions to deliver crispy, healthy meals with minimal effort. We'll dive into why this air fryer oven is a must-have for busy home cooks, health-conscious foodies, and anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. Let's explore how this appliance can transform your cooking game. Why the Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven stands out? The Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a versatile, time-saving solution that tackles common cooking pain points. With an 11 quart capacity, it's spacious enough for family meals, yet compact for small kitchens. Its dual zone technology lets you cook 2 dishes at different temperatures and times, syncing them to finish together. Imagine roasting a chicken in one zone while baking a 9-inch pizza in the other, all ready at the same time. Plus, it's dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. This air fryer oven is designed for healthy eating, using up to 85% less oil to deliver crispy, juicy results. Whether you're air frying, baking, roasting, or dehydrating, the 10 preset functions and adjustable temperature range, 160 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, give you ultimate control. Backed by a trusted brand with 40 years of experience, this appliance is both affordable and user-friendly, with a recipe booklet to spark your culinary creativity. Solving your cooking struggles. Cooking for a family or hosting a dinner party often means juggling multiple dishes with different cooking requirements. Traditional ovens are slow, and deep frying is messy and unhealthy. The Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven solves these problems by eliminating multitasking chaos. Dual zones let you cook 2 dishes simultaneously with sync finish technology, ensuring everything is ready at once. Reducing oil and calories. Air fry with little to no oil for crispy, guilt-free meals. Saving time and energy. Cooks faster than conventional ovens and uses less electricity, keeping your kitchen cool and your bills low. Simplifying cleanup. Non-stick, dishwasher-safe components mean no scrubbing required. Key features and benefits. Here's why the Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven is a top contender. 11 quart XL capacity. Perfect for family-sized meals, from whole chickens to 9-inch pizzas. Dual zone cooking with sync technology. Cook 2 dishes at different settings, synced to finish together for seamless meal prep. 10 preset functions. Air fry, bake, grill, roast, toast, warm, dehydrate, and more, offering endless versatility. Healthy cooking uses up to 85% less oil, delivering crispy textures without the fat. Powerful performance, 1600 watts and dual convection fans ensure even, fast cooking at 160 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup. Dishwasher-safe basket, rack, and divider make post-cooking cleanup effortless. User-friendly design, intuitive digital controls, 60-minute timers, and a recipe booklet simplify operation. Compact yet spacious. Fits small kitchens while handling large meals, ideal for apartments or busy households. Trusted brand, Elite Gourmet's 40-year legacy ensures quality and reliable customer support. Who is this air fryer oven for? The Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air fryer oven is perfect for busy families, cook multiple dishes at once for quick, healthy weeknight dinners. Health-conscious cooks, enjoy fried favorites with less oil and fewer calories. Small space dwellers, compact design fits apartments or crowded countertops. Entertainers, impress guests with perfectly timed restaurant-quality meals. Culinary experimenters, dehydrate fruits, make jerky, or bake desserts with ease. Why choose Elite Gourmet? In a crowded market of air fryers, the Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven shines for its dual zone innovation, healthy cooking capabilities, and user-friendly design. It's faster and more flexible than a conventional oven, easier to clean than a deep fryer, and more versatile than single-basket air fryers. Plus, its sleek black finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Take your cooking to the next level. Ready to ditch the hassle of traditional cooking and embrace healthier, tastier meals? The Elite Gourmet Dual Zone Air Fryer Oven, 11 quart capacity, is your ticket to effortless restaurant-quality dishes. From crispy fries to juicy roasts, this appliance does it all with less oil, less time, and less cleanup. Don't miss out on the kitchen upgrade you'll wish you'd made sooner. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.